Welcome to my review of Grav, the flexible and fast website builder that stands out due to its unique approach of not requiring a database. For those looking for a powerful content management system, Grav is definitely worth considering. What makes Grav different is its flat file structure, which allows for quicker page loads and simpler setup, eliminating the need for a database backend. To begin, the installation of Grav is incredibly easy. You just download the package from the official site, unzip it, and upload it to your server. Once uploaded, you're good to go. The interface is simple and clean, designed for users who prefer to have more control over their website without the overhead of a traditional CMS. Grav's flexibility shines through when you start adding content. There's a built-in markdown editor, making it easier to write and organize content without getting bogged down in complex WYSIWYG editors. You also have the option to use Grav's modular content blocks for greater flexibility in organizing your page structure. One of the standout features of Grav is its wide range of plugins and themes, all of which are community developed. If you need additional functionality, such as social sharing buttons, galleries, or even custom forms, the plugin ecosystem offers a wealth of options. Themes are equally flexible, with several free and premium themes available to suit different use cases. Many useful links can be found in the description of this video, so make sure to check them out after watching. Whether you need additional resources or want to explore more about website building, you'll find plenty of helpful information there. Another important aspect of Grav is its performance. Because it uses a flat file structure, the website loads significantly faster than traditional CMS-based websites. This can be crucial for improving user experience and SEO rankings. Additionally, because there's no database, there's less maintenance required, making it a low-maintenance option for developers and website owners. However, one drawback to consider is that Grav does have a steeper learning curve compared to drag-and-drop website builders. If you're someone who prefers simplicity and doesn't have coding experience, you may find this setup a bit more complicated. But for developers or tech-savvy users, Grav offers a ton of flexibility and customization options. To wrap up, Grav is an excellent choice for developers or advanced users who want full control over their website. Its unique features and performance make it stand out in the crowded website builder market. If you're someone who appreciates flexibility and performance without the hassle of a database, Grav might be the perfect solution for your next project. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this review helpful, and leave a comment if you have any questions about Grav or website building in general.